me feel too much. Perhaps I tried a little too hard. Tried to make my love for you rain, tried to make you soft to the touch. Should have seen your eyes change from the start, but here we are. You know I've always wanted the best for you, for me, so we'd both be happy. I wouldn't wish heartbreak on my worst enemy, but I couldn't stop this one from happening. Sorry I made a monster out of you. I honestly thought you'd take it better than you do. They say their monsters are hiding under their beds, but darling, no, you're hiding in my head. You're hiding in my head. I always try to see the best in you, no matter what you say or do. But it seems like it was just a mask all along. Silly me thought that you would change. Seems like you took me for a fool. Thought you'd understand why I need space, but never in my life have I been so wrong. Sorry I made a monster out of you. I honestly thought you'd take it better than you do. They say their monsters are hiding under their beds, but darling, no, you're hiding in my head. You're hiding in my head. I never thought that it would come to this. Hurting you would be the last thing on my list. Didn't know what to do. I felt so heartless, 'cause maybe I am, but maybe I'm not. Turns out everything is not what I thought.